Morning.
Good morning.
What brings us out on this fine, miserable day, Mrs. Slaw?
It's very exciting. We're hoping to get a game changer and hoping to share our experiences with you. For those of you that come with us on our adventures regularly, you'll know that we've just had just short of 3 weeks in Helga. We had nearly a week at the Twinwood Festival and then over 2 weeks in Germany. And if you've seen our van tour of our gorgeous Helga, our Hobby Optima Deluxe D65 HFL, you'll know that Mrs. Slaw is a bit like Princess and the Pea, because the mattress in the motorhome that comes as standard is 4-inch foam. Not very comfortable. So over the years we've added a memory foam topper, still wasn't very comfortable, and then we added a feather topper. And after nearly 3 weeks, we have realised it's not good enough. It's not good enough. So we were in Germany talking to a lovely couple who had had a mattress custom made for their motorhome. They gave us the details, and that's where we're going today. We're going to Custom Mattress in Bolton because they have made us an 8-inch deep sprung mattress for Helga. And we are so excited that we're going to get a better quality of sleep. So come along with us and see how we get on. Let's go!
Can't find where I unwrap it. Ah. These are big.
You need the scissors, Slaw.
Yeah.
It's just behind you in drawer.
Missing me knife. The first one fits alright. Well, this one fits to go in between. But I fetched them in the wrong order, didn't I? Only Slaw can do that. Look at that. Oh. Check my measurements. That just needs to go in there. Oh yeah. Oh, you what? Oh. Night. Mattress done. We'll test it tomorrow.
Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. So this is the original Hobby mattress, which, if you look at the thickness, I think it's 3 to 4 inches thick. So as you can see, new mattresses are, I think it's 8-inch thick, but the control, see? So, I'm going to have to try and move this. See if we can move it. Aha. We now find there's a little screw there. Could have broke it then. There we go, look. Out she comes. So the cables are just down the back. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move it so it's just above mattress, which is all it was before. So I'm going to move it up here probably, up to there. Probably take those 2 holes that are there for the bottom ones and then make 2 new at the top, and then there'll be 2 holes there, but put some caps in at a later stage possibly. might put a bit of trunking in at a later stage. We'll have to see. Oh. Right. Like so. And all this should slot back in, but you're just going to have the cable coming up. There we go. Now back on. Right, put the mattress. Put the mattress back on even. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, much better, Si.
There we go.
Mrs. Slaw approves.
Yep, that's sound that. Once bedding's on, you won't even see cables. Better put it in properly. There we go. Just needs dressing now.
My job.
Job finished. Controller's alright there. It's high enough. So, we'll see what happens when we've slept in it tomorrow.
Yes. We'll give you the verdict. We'll give you the verdict when we've slept in it tomorrow. But I'm really looking forward to it. 8 inches deep sprung. Wow. This is going to be so different to 4 inches of foam.
Yeah.
Exciting.
4 inch to 8 inch is a big difference. This is Slaw.
I'm really looking forward to it. On that note, we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Woman, know thyself.
Woman, enjoy thyself.
Woman, not know thyself.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We are now in bed on the new mattress.
And it feels very comfy.
Does it?
Very comfy. It's very sprung.
No comment. Yeah. No, it's yep. It's good.
Yeah.
Feels good.
It does. It feels completely different to what we had before. You know, like a little 4-inch foam mattress with some toppers on. This feels amazing.
4 inch to 8 inch.
We're not going there again.
No, we're not. No, we've been there. We've been there. Yep.
So, on that note, we're going to have, hopefully, a very good night's sleep, and we'll let you know in the morning how we get on.
I just need them to stop driving up and down the motorway just here, which you may hear or you may not. We can hear
They
it.
won't hear it.
Right.
Good night.
Good night.
Mattress verdict then, Mrs. Slaw.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Apologies for being a little bleary-eyed, but we did a motorhome stopover last night on Sunday night, so we're up and at it this morning to get back home for work. The verdict on the mattress is wow. Excellent quality of sleep. Can't believe we've never done this before or heard of custom mattress at Bolton. We highly recommend that you get a custom made one for your van if you're the same as us. 4-inch foam does not cut it. 8-inch sprung, wow.
But there are different ones, aren't there?
Oh, there's different qualities.
There's different qualities.
Have a look on the website and see what you would want for your motorhome, caravan, narrowboat, whatever. They do them custom made to fit any of your units. So yeah, there you go. Brilliant. I think it's going to be a bit of a game changer for us.
Yeah, definitely.
The more that we, have extended stays in Helga, no more bad backs in the morning. So we'll put all the description of the mattress in the description below, so that you know where to go to have a look and see for yourselves. So until next time, friends. Bye.
Bye.